Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HPT. I'm your host, Joshua Salvetti, and today we're going to be breaking down a beautiful trade that we took. But I want to dive into deep detail once again in the importance of identifying your edge and executing, right? So let me share my screen here so that we could get into it. We're not going to go super long. And before we go any further, if you guys want to get involved with the Army, you guys already know what to do. Click that first link below. It's going to bring you to my website. Now, at my website, it's a 5-minute document that is going to get you to become a confident trader. How and why will you become a confident trader? Because you're going to learn an approach that is going to simplify the game, right? Chances are, if you're struggling in the market, it's because you're not sticking to the same strategy, right? So over here at HPT, I have crafted a strategy. I have collected mass amounts of data on it. If you click right here, it will bring you to our latest high-level summary on the approach. And if you come all the way down here, punch your first, last name, email in, I will send you this strategy completely for free. I will send you the documents. I will send you the high-level summaries, the data reports. I will send you the mini course so you can learn how to execute this approach. And when you're ready to level up, you click this link right here and you join our team, right? Why do you want to join our team? Because if and when you join our team, you become a part of a team that puts in work. Doesn't just put in work, but executes flawlessly. Look at this. Look at this trade we took. Oh, it's so damn beautiful. It's so simple, but what's most important is it's repeatable. We have all made money in the market, felt really good, laid in bed that night, and asked ourselves, can I do it again tomorrow? It's the $1 million question, guys. Can I confidently show up to the market tomorrow and execute an approach that I'm aware of, I'm cognizant of, I understand, and I can execute it appropriately? Can I do that? If you cannot confidently say that you have a repeatable approach, how could you ever expect to become consistent? If you don't have a repeatable way to get to work, how are you going to get to work? If you don't have a repeatable way to feed yourself, how are you going to survive? If you don't have a repeatable way to solve a math problem, how are you going to solve it? Input versus output, right? So today we're going to break down how our approach did, how we were able to execute it, and how much faith it took, right? Because last week we had 2 losses. Out of 5 trades, 3 of them were profitable, 2 of them were losses. So coming into this week, we had to ask ourselves a very important question. If my strategy presents itself, what am I going to do? Am I going to execute? Am I going to wait? Am I going to hesitate? Am I going to find a reason not to pull the trigger? These are all very serious questions. These are the questions that need to be asked and they need to be addressed, right? This morning, right? Well, first things first, we're going to go over the pre-market plan. But look at that trade. Just absolutely beautiful. Open print, moving average cross, right? The 5 and the 20. Green bar ignored. I'm in short, targeting below, right? You see over here in SPY alerts. Where is it? 9:53 a.m. I'm in short, right? So let's do a little bit more deep diving into what we were looking at. So over here, hold on one second, guys. That's my beautiful wife. Hold up. Okay. All right. So real quick, I got like 7 minutes. All right. Pre-market plan. Every day I approach the market the exact same way. I identify a level of interest, and then I ask myself, whomever controls this level, I'm going to trade with. So the level of interest is 520.24. SPY pre-market plan, critical level of interest, 520.24. All premium members get access to the Discord and everything that we offer. Bullish scenario. Look how simple I keep this, guys, because once again, if it's not repeatable, I don't want nothing to do with it. Watching for buyers to step up and defend open print along with 520.24. Ready? Proper HPT cross criteria off the open, and I'm long targeting PDL EOD for the gap fill, right? Because we're gapping down. That's bullish scenario. Bearish scenario. Watching for sellers to maintain strength by defending 520.24. Along with open print, I have no downside targets until 509.11. Hey, where did we sell off to? 509.11. Are we psychic? Are we Houdini? Do we know? Absolutely not. But you know what we do know? We understand what happens most often. This is because we study the data. We identify the data, we study the data, and we know, hey, if this level, 520.24, does not hold, there is an 88% chance. That's right, I said it. 88% chance that price is going to go down to the next critical level. What's a critical level? A critical level is a daily time frame level. Look, guys, 520.24. If it doesn't hold, I'm targeting this guy. That's it. There's nothing else to worry about. We do not complicate it. We do not overthink it. We go, hey, listen, if sellers hold, we're targeting this level. If buyers hold, we're targeting this level. Every day, the same exact way. Oh, I love it. I'm pumped, guys. I'm extremely pumped right now. And it's because once you understand the principles, there's nothing else to worry about, right? So, okay, market opens. According to the pre-market plan, if and when the HPT cross criteria presents itself, I get in. There's nothing else to worry about. I'm not looking for level 2. I'm not using Bookmap. I'm not using the VIX. I'm not using anything else other than my approach. And I can do this confidently because we have over 8 months of data backing it up. See, when the data's there, you don't need anything else. The logic's there. It makes sense. So what do? We get a moving average cross off open print, right? Open print's way up here. Moving average cross. We get a green bar that's ignored. We get in the market short right here. I'm literally in short. My stop loss is above the previous candle. So then immediately I draw a box around the level and I'm in short. There's nothing else to worry about. Let's just go back to the Discord and I'll show you exactly what I was posting. In shorts, stop above previous candle. Nice trend here to the downside. What do I mean by that? This is the most important part. When I say nice trend to the downside, what I'm saying is the trend is healthy. There's no extensions. There's no gaps. There's no irregular price action. This is normal. This is regular. This is healthy. This is what we want to trade. Each and every single day, I'm looking for the moving average cross off open print, green bar or red bar ignored, in short. And then look, guys, it just started to sink. And I literally capped this at 10:08 a.m. So I'm out of the trade right here at this candle. This was my trade. Bam. Done. Literally done trading for the rest of the day. Finished. Now, say you missed it. Say you missed this setup. How could you have still identified opportunity? Let me show you. See that green bar that was ignored? That candle we got out on? Look how price sells off from it, comes right back into it, and look who defends it. Do buyers defend it or do sellers? I'm sorry. Sellers defend it. Of course they defend it. And until they don't defend it, this is bearish. Beautiful, beautiful price action today, guys. I was just blown away. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful because after last week, we and this is something I'm always, asking myself, right? No matter what happens, your strategy works, it doesn't work. You have a tough week, you have a good week. No matter what happens, tomorrow I will be trading this approach the exact same way. Each and every single day, I look for 3 things. That's it. I look for a moving average cross off open print in an RBI, and a GBI. And when the trend is healthy, it's that much more confidence going into it. So, I really want you guys to take from High Performance Trader the importance of execution. Once again, you are only as good as your ability to stick to a strategy, right? Today was an amazing day. It was amazing, but it's nothing special. This is literally what happens 80% of the time. We have the data to back it up, right? Like if you don't believe me, all you have to do is look at the data, right? You come over to the Discord. If once you subscribe to my data reports, you get full access to all this information. I send weekly updates of the strategy to you, right? Because I know the more you study the strategy, the more confident you're going to become, the more consistent you're going to become, and the better person you're going to become altogether, because you're going to start trading way better. So guys, I love you. Thanks for coming to this recap. Get involved with the team, level up, and make sure when tomorrow or tonight, when you're lying in bed and you ask yourself, can I do this again? Make sure you reply to yourself, absolutely I can. Because I have a process, I have a simple approach, and I am working on mastering the execution. I'm Joshua Salvetti. I love you guys. Like, subscribe, send it to somebody that needs it. Let's finish this month off strong, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.